Okay, I'm outside right now, and this is my neighborhood. It's the morning time, so I don't think anyone's around. Let me see. This is interesting. I don't want to like talk too loudly. I'm not sure how loud talking would be. This is interesting. I feel like I'm in a drama. Okay, let's go back down. I'm scared. Okay. That car is moving. Why did it move? There's nobody inside. That is so creepy. You hear the crow. How small the houses are. Look, there's a garage. It's cold. It's very interesting. The air smells nice. Oh, look at this person with their fancy garden. A lot of space, damn, okay. Okay, it's time to go back this way. This is awkward. I don't want to go back. I'm scared. This is interesting. Okay, where else do I go? I don't know. Oh, look, a sidewalk. Okay. If I get lost, I'm gonna cry. Look, that's a pretty house. I like the house. Okay, my battery's dying, so I'm gonna have to cut this video short. But okay, we're getting around civilization. That's not good. Oh, that is a pretty house. Very Japanese looking. Okay. I like this house. Okay. Ooh, okay, my camera's gonna die, so this is basically my neighborhood, I guess. Interesting neighborhood, right? Okay. I'm gonna walk around for a bit more.